It's Unit 13 here on Scene at the Homestead, and this is Update 11 on Bin 1. We're looking at a photograph here, a still image of August 18th, 2018. And this video is going to follow along exactly how things happened, unfolded that day, and how it was a complete miserable failure of the experiment that I did. Alright, let's get going. Okay, opening bin 1 here. I don't smell any odors. Just smells like dirt. And then noticing something that seems odd is that there's no worms hardly at all around these avocados. So I'm wondering if those roly-polies aren't consuming that before the worms can get to it. Well, there's got to be a bunch of worms in here someplace. Here we are with my bright idea. I've just put a piece of pantyhose down into the end of the nozzle on this vacuum cleaner. I'll vacuum up those roly-polies, take them out, dump them into the recycle or the compost bin out in the backyard there, and end of story. Except it didn't quite turn out that way. The audio you're about to hear isn't that great, but it's exactly what it sounded like when I got to the compost bin. I killed them all. I killed all of them. I killed them. Oh man. That sucks. Wow. Back from the vacuuming the roly-polies. Turns out the vacuuming idea is a stupid one because I killed all of them, so won't be doing that again. Okay, that was really disappointing. I don't think there are a lot of worms in this bin, but I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of stuff in there just to make sure everybody can get to it. I want my worms to do good, so I'm going to make sure that they have enough. Okay, well, so much for that experiment. Alright, let's see. I think that's it for here. I put this little section of video at the end here because it's actually me opening the bin, and it's in slow motion, so that it's obvious to see. All I had to do is take all the pieces of cardboard there out to the recycle bin, or not to the recycle bin, but to the compost bin, and just shake them out and dump them in there. But instead what I did was, you could see in the video. So here's one for the lessons learned department. Just take the cardboard out and shake it into the compost bin. This is Unit 13, I'm out.
Southwest Place, going to be at a construction site. 28-year-old male, conscious